Hi, I'm Brandy, and today I'm going to be unboxing my January February Wevolve box. This is an every other month box. I've done one review previously, which you can check out on my channel. Let's get started. Oh, so this, I love dragonflies. I have a dragonfly tattooed on my back, and it's really beautiful. The manifest box, cool. It's got all the information about this month's box. Purple. Ooh, lovely. Actually, I'm going to keep it like this so you guys can see. We've got some incense, cedar wood. I love, 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 love cedar. It's one of my favorite smells in the world. It's a manifest ritual kit. So we'll get, looks to be like candles and some jars. We'll get to that. I'm sure it'll be explained a little more. Ooh. Oh, wow. These are stones, it looks like. Tiger's eye, if I'm not mistaken. In different shapes, geometrical shapes. So that's pretty freaking cool. Of course, we got the Dealy Bobs here. I absolutely love the packaging stickers that they have at this company. I bought a box you can check out on my channel. It was the Sacred Adornments, and it had this sticker on one of the boxes, and it was just beautiful. So this is the High Priestess, and I'm going to open this lovely thing. Ooh. Zen and Meow. Oh, wow. Oh, that is really, really, really pretty. I love that. It's a card. Kelly Matthews and a Meow. That's their information. Very cool. So we put this beautiful stuff aside. Little Dealy Bobs here. Oh, Lord. Ooh, stickers. Nice. I love it. Wevolve 10% off. BellaRosePaper.com or BellaRosePaperCo.com. I'll totally check that out. Something that's going to be coming new to my channel in the new year is I'm going to show you guys how I set up my bullet journal, and I'm super into paper crafts, so that will be something I will totally use. Nice. Nice. Totally, totally nice. I love Llewellyn. Moon Sign Daybook. I don't have this one. I'm pretty excited about that. I think I did get the Moon Sign book itself for Christmas, but I absolutely love this. This is a book that I will totally use. I live my life by the moon. I have, at any given moment, the moon sign written on any calendar, even my work calendar, just so I can know what La Luna is doing. And I'm really excited about this. This is awesome. And it's a very nice theme for me. This really fits with my needs and my personality. We are infinite creative beings. We are aspects of the source manifested in form, and as such, we have access to infinite potential. We manifest our lives and experiences with our thoughts, feelings, and agreements, whether consciously or unconsciously. Rituals and reminders can help us connect with this truth daily, and repetition is the key to creating in the third dimension. Dragonfly art, that's this, absolutely lovely. Butterfly crystal grid, beautiful. I mean, it is just, the detailing is magnificent. It's pretty nice quality wood, doesn't feel like particle board. The butterfly is a perfect reminder of how life completely transforms itself. The sacred geometry symbol is called a Sri Yantra, and is a Hindu symbol of 9 interlocking triangles representing the connection between the human body and the cosmos. Said to liberate one's mind and when studied with deep contemplation. Use this grid with your crystals to amplify your intentions. Speak or blow your intentions into your crystals and then place them on the grid. That's pretty cool. Crystal platonic solid. These are forms of sacred geometry that underlie the physical matter of all living things. To learn more about the energetic properties of the platonic solids, please visit the blog. So I'm assuming that they're talking about this. So this, we've got a cube here, got like a diamond here, we've got a pyramid here, 5-sided. Like, I'm not even sure. Geometry was never my thing. I should ask my husband. That's where he excels, is spatial reasoning. Really cool. Manifest Candle Work Ritual Kit. Infuse candles with your energy to amplify your intentions as well as to help magnify and manifest. This kit contains the materials needed to perform 3 candle rituals: release, grow, and love. And it's got all this information in there. It's a sturdy little kit. That's pretty cool. It's a little dusty, but otherwise really nice. Morning Star Incense in cedarwood. And Moon Sign Daybook and Planner. So there's this. So, oh, and this. Nice. Alright. This was my second box by Wevolve. Technically my third because I got a specialty box from them. Their Sacred Adornments, which I absolutely loved. I wasn't super fond of the angel theme box, but frankly, I gave it as a gift to others, and they seemed to really like it, and it suited my purposes well, in that I had gotten extra boxes over the holidays to have nice little spiritual things to give to my loved ones, so it worked out fine. As far as this box goes, this box is amazing, and it suits my purposes, and I really enjoy it. It is an every other month box, so you don't get like overwhelmed with things that you're not necessarily going to use in a short amount of time, so I really like that. The theme was really cool. I think for me, I will probably, I have them on my Facebook and my Instagram. I will probably monitor what the theme is going to be before purchasing the box again, because I don't necessarily want to buy a box that's not going to jive with me, and they do a variety of things. So I'm not going to be a subscriber every month without fail for this box, but I am going to keep a close eye because this is a really nice box for me, and I would like to buy boxes of certain things that resonate with me. So I will have their information below in the description, so a link that you guys can get to, the price. This is every other month. They have a variety of options as well that you can check out, and they have 2 size box. The Cosmic Mini comes monthly, and the Esoteric comes every other month. So there's a variety of options you can check out, and I'm going to leave a link below. Otherwise, give me some comments. Tell me what you think, or if there's anything you think I should try. I love to hear your guys' feedback, and I try to interact quickly and with every single person who comments, so please do that. And as always, guys, please like, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I look forward to connecting with you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.